That is tough. That is tough. Mm. Yeah, what's up, Cave Trader? All right, man. He said Oracle spiked up 30%. I wonder why. I wonder why Oracle spiked up like that. Alright. Mm. Mm. I wonder where you got that number from, because it sounds like something that they pulled out of their ass. He says AI fueled cloud revenue set to soar to 144 billion. Who are their customers? Because if that's the case, then that mean that other companies like Microsoft, Amazon can do the same? Mm. Yeah, I mean that's crazy, man. These guys definitely have a lot of influence over. Oh shit, look at that drop. Okay. Mm, mm. So the previous day high is around 917. Hmm. You say you look. You said you was looking for all time highs. Mm. I think they might try to reserve all time highs for tomorrow, or maybe today. I mean, shit, who knows? I mean, I don't know. I don't know. That'll only be an assumption. I gotta stop doing that with the all time highs right now is 2469. I mean, we had a big double bottom retest yesterday. That gain weight still needs to apologize. Have gain weight needs to write a handwritten with his best pen apology about the statements that were made yesterday. Shit, we caught the bottom. He has to apologize for the statements that were made yesterday. Nah, I'm glad you're here, gain weight. I'm glad you're here. You need to buy the best pen. The pen that you have stored and that you save for special occasions because the occasion is now. The statements that were made, the slander that was thrown. Oops. You know, if you keep setting your limits, it won't manipulate the market. It's not gonna go up. Oh yeah, it went up. It went up. All right. I'm taking this trade because it's the previous day high. I mean, that's about it. I'm pretty sure that there's gonna be some buyers here. Maybe. 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 Uh I do have a follow-up area that I'm looking for, but I'm probably looking at lower day or something like that. Maybe if not lower day. I'm probably gonna look for yeah, like a retest at 875 or something like that. Right, look for that retest. Let's see if the market is gonna come in at that previous day high right there. If not, you know, I got my stop where it needs to be at. Let me get that first target hit, baby. Can we get that first target hit, baby? Can we get that first target hit, baby? Uh-huh. Uh-huh. All right. No one didn't say anybody about your target not getting hit gain weight. We're solely talking about that bounce. That's solely what we're talking about here. I mean, we here at the house of taking profit, or not, my God, the house of taking targets, we commend whenever you hold out until your target gets hit, regardless of the situation. But we're solely talking about shit. That bounce from the lows yesterday. I mean, I cheated myself out the first one. I cheated myself out of that first one, but I was able to come back and get the real move. I mean, it's like stuff like that just kind of works. It just kind of worked out because, I mean, if I took that first move, I don't know if I would have gotten into this move. And this actually, if I took this first move, I don't know if I would have gotten into this one, you know? And this was the better trade. So, I mean, I don't know. I feel like maybe this is one of those little happy accidents that, you know, I guess needed to happen in order for me to have caught this one. But it looks like the market is trending. I mean, and that looks like a downward trend. I might be on the wrong side of this one, guys. Maybe, maybe. Oh shit, my bad. Uh, 37.8, 37.8, 37.8, 37.8, 37.8. All right, I just put it at the last number I saw. All right, so we got about roughly 100,000 contracts added. So we should expect a big move today. Around 117,000 contracts added in the first 16. So we'll see what happens. We'll see which side of the market just wants it more. Yeah, it looks like I mean, if this trend line, which is, it's highly likely legit. I mean, I draw my trend lines very correctly. So it's I might have to I might be fighting against a trend line right now. Yeah. Yeah, I draw my trend lines correctly. Okay. What I should have done, well, I mean, I kind of noticed this trend line. I'm already in the position, so I'm not going to exit out of it. I'm only going to get stopped out. But I guess a better way to have traded this was wait for that break. So, I mean, if we can get a break out of this trend line, then I mean, we're good. We're good for a move back higher. If we can just see that break without it breaking down, should be good. At least get the first target hit. But the orb low and the orb high is in. We already got somewhat of a triple bottom at the orb low right now, so um, it's highly likely that we see a continuation here. Highly likely, but still, we got that. We still got that. Well, there it goes. All right, never mind. I mean, we still got this trend line coming down, and they just need to kind of find support right there. There we go. Looks like the bulls are trying here. But if they fail, well, we're just going to see a big red candle. If we see a big red candle close back underneath that trend line right here, then that might be it for the position. Maybe, potentially. Hopefully, this is enough margin of error right here. Hopefully, this is enough margin of error. But I think I should be good. It's always, it's always a bit nerve wracking when you're trying to get into a position as the market is pulling back because you just don't know how far it's going to pull back until it just finds support. Y'all guys know me. I'm always going to get in at an area of support, regardless of structure. And like a whole computer just freaking froze. I guess I got too much things ingesting data. I got Trade of 8 open. I got Ninja Trader 8 open. Just too much things ingesting data. So I guess these little stupid little lags are, I guess. God damn. What the fuck? Oh, wow. Yo, what the fuck? Uh, what was that was a news that was news. That was something. That was Trump saying something. That had to been Trump saying something, man. That had to been Trump saying something. God damn. That was too violent for that to be a normal candle. Mm, whatever. Okay. Well. Oh, is it? Mm, okay. Well. Okay. All right. This is kind of why I don't want to trade the NQ. All right. Um, all right. So we got to break back up of the. mm, All right. We got 5 more minutes until the algo. Mm, mm. Okay. I guess she don't got her name the nasty Nasdaq for a reason. I mean, she got that name for a reason. Man, she is so nasty, dude. That is crazy how nasty that was. Same exact entry. The unnecessary stop out for whatever reason. Ugh. Kind of like yesterday. Mm. Shit. Honestly, what I should be doing is looking at the gamma. Man, mm. We're in a positive gamma environment, but we'll see. It definitely don't feel like it. It feels like the bulls are buying with no follow through, which we all know that if it's not going to go up, that means it's preparing to go down. Uh, yeah, all I'm seeing is a lot of bullish aggression with no follow through. So, that usually signals. Mm, mm. Mm. All right, so let's see if we can get that first target hit there. Mm. Again, when it says everybody and their aunt is trying to short hard, it ain't dump yet. They trying hard. Mm. I don't know why anybody would short the Nasdaq right now or any of the indices when uh, the overall structure is bullish. I mean, you just had this big break of structure higher. I mean, I don't know why anybody would short this. He just broke a high, and we're just pulling back. Maybe people don't understand the concept of a pullback, and the Nasdaq don't understand the concept of just hitting my target for. Come on, baby, you can just hit that first one. I mean, it's not that serious, man. Hit that first one for your boy. Thank you. Thanks. Hit that first one, boo. All right. Cool. We got that trade hit. It was just one of those days. If we get a pullback, I'm willing to add to this. I'm willing to add to it if we see a pullback. Mm. I'm not willing to add to it all at these highs. I'm willing to add. I don't think it'll come back to my break even, but maybe I'll add at 925.75. I'll add there at R2. But I think we should be good. I think we'll probably get a pullback to R3, but I'm not gonna add this high. I'm not adding in the middle of the chart. That's bullish. I'm just keeping a close eye on it, man, I guess. That's all I can do. It just didn't go the amount that I thought it would go. And it stopped right there at that I get that, but I figured that it would just pull back a little bit. Or at least just enough to get my target filled here, but nah. Seems like it doesn't want to do that. Mm. Mm. You say you can wait for profits, but not financial advice. IWM calls, huh?